What if I show you simple ways to make more than $800 today? Well, it's simple. It's getting 99% of the work done for you with only a few clicks, and you could start receiving your first payment right away every day. After researching more than 100 different methods and tactics to generate money online without stress, only a few of them have survived the test and proven to make real money online. And this one I'm about to share with you in this video is one of them. Although this is a fully free strategy that works in any country, still not everyone can't benefit from it. Why? Well, that's because over 95% of people who watch this video will skip some parts without completely comprehending the concept, and we miss out on some very minor details and important points. So don't be one of those 95% of people that don't make any money by watching this video all the way through. I want to show you one of the tricks in this video. I'm not talking about the most inconvenient ways to make money online these days. I'm talking about small changes here. We're talking about $20,000 here. So I want you to go and visit latium.org after you finish watching this video. Visit their main page to learn more. Take a look at various features. So when I scroll down, I can see some of the projects I've worked on. People are making hundreds of dollars down below thousands, if not millions of dollars. The good news is that there are practically a plethora of options available which you can choose from, an endless number of tasks. You might be here on this website. I will show you a way to make a ton of money too. And the amazing part of it is you don't have to do anything. Therefore, this is pretty lazy or laid-back method to do things. You can put in any amount of effort, and as a result of your effort, you'll be rewarded. People from various countries in the world can be seen here too. This is happening in every country on the planet, with a lot of people having the chance to make a substantial amount of money every day. So yeah, they are basically categorizing our job. As you can see on the left, usability testing, registration, for example, is divided into several categories. Animation and video are downloaded by the translation app. So in this tutorial, I'm going to save you a lot of time and effort here. I will even throw in an extra tip for you. I'll tell you what works and what doesn't work. You might be making lots of money right now if you're working on it. Now, for those of you who are watching, I would like to show you something. I want to give you an extra tip, and I would like to concentrate on this topic, which is graphics and design. All you have to do is click on this link right here, which will take you to this page, which will show you all of the projects in this particular. Don't worry about how to go about it, because you don't need any graphic design abilities or any other technical skills for that matter, and you don't need any experience with computer before you get it done. In fact, no prior experience is required. This is one of the most convenient ways to get things done. You can earn money by doing this, and you can do it as a business. Take a look at all of the projects available here. If you are a complete newbie, everyone has access to an endless number of jobs and projects. Let's have a look at an example here. A project similar to this one has been posted. This employer's project requirements can be found here, and all you have to do now is to click on this project to be taken to this page where you can see that they'll be paying you this particular amount for the project, and they'll be paying you US dollar. How cool is that? Now from here, you can see the project details and instruction in this section. Don't worry, like I said before, you won't have to make any of the logos or graphics. All you have to do is to go to the free logo designer website and observe their homepage. This website basically offers you free services and free software to make logo for you in literally seconds. As you can see here, these are just some of the professional logos that they have created for different companies, and they are all from different templates and designs. I'll show you exactly how to do it right now, and I'll give you a lot of examples so you can start creating your own. I'll even show you a few bonus steps right now. 1, you will need a company name, and 2, you will need to choose one of these categories. For example, we want to work on this project, and you can enter the company name over here. The reason for doing so is that the name of the company will appear right on the logo that you want to create. Moving on, you want to learn about the company's category. Now that we've entered the company's name, we can go on to choosing one. You can just click on this down arrow and choose one of the category you like, and then you can scroll down below. You will find the best category that fits this firm picture. You can just click on it, and then all you have to do is hit and get started button, and they will begin loading up. As you can see, they are displaying several types of logos available, and guess what? With just one click of a button, they can practically assist you in creating pages and pages of different logo design that you may use for free. Before we go any deeper in this video, I would like to give you some time to subscribe to Roladel Business and give it a thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now all I want you to do is to scroll down and pick any of this design. Let's assume you finish page 1 here and move on to the next page, where they will offer you even more different logo ideas to use. As you can see here, the company name will appear right here on the logo design. Now, if you're not satisfied with any of this logo that you've created, or if you send them to your clients and they're not satisfied, you can just go on and select any one of these new logos and show them again. There are just unlimited options and unlimited creative logo design that you can choose from with just a click of a button. You don't need any technical skills and you don't need graphic skill. As I promised, this is one of the most convenient ways to generate money right now if you have no prior experience. Simply click on them and then on the add button, and then they will be right here on your canvas and be ready for you to make any customization or edit you desire. For example, with this logo, you can simply drag and drop it wherever you want it to be. It depends on you. You can make it bigger or smaller, or make any other adjustment you want. For example, you can add more text, change color, change the font type and size, and drag and drop to any location you want. You can then preview this logo by simply clicking on this button, and this works on your mobile phone, your computer, and any other devices that you have. Once you're satisfied with your design, all you have to do now is click the save button to save it to your smartphone or your computer. And this is just one of the logo samples for this particular organization. When you go back to latium.org and look at the different projects, you will see that there are literally hundreds of projects looking to hire people like you to design different logos, and they are paying you thousands of dollars over and over again just by doing the simple task which I've shown you. All you have to do now is to click on the sign up for free button at the top, and it will take you to this page where you can enter your email address and sign up for a free account and start making money online for free. I want to give you a bonus because you stick with me until the end. Other than latium.org, you can also go to roladel.com, which is essentially the best freelancer website for Nigerians, where you can find different similar projects as well. All you have to do is type in the keyword logo design and then click on the search button. From there, you can find different projects and different other logo design work. There are thousands of people looking for someone to assist them in the creation of logos, and guess what? You can be one of them. All you have to do is to go to the free logo designer website and create all the logos professionally with just one click of a button, and that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos from our channels. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to Roladel Business and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below.